What is up, guys? Today I'm going to show you guys how to use Amazon Lex on the Amazon Web Service. So let's go and open up Amazon Lex, and we're going to hit create a bot. Now here's how it works. First off, you have your intent. That's what your goal is. The utterances is what you say to make the bot respond. A slot is a piece of data that you want to provide to fulfill the intent. Prompt is a question that asks the user to input the data. So in this case, it's a book trip. What date do you want to check in? And then this will give you the reply, November 30th, etc. Order flowers, kind of the same deal. Schedule appointment, stuff like that. So our bot is just going to be kind of a simple bot. It's going to be fun and very basic. So we're going to do custom bot, and we're going to name it. Let's name it Angry Bot. It's going to be angry. Now we're actually going not to have a playback voice, but we're just going to pick one.
Hello, my name is Matthew.
So if you in some cases you can have it reply back with an output voice. In this tutorial we're not going to do that, but we're just going to go and select Matthew. Session timeout 5 minutes, kind of the default there. Now the IAM role, this will create a role for the Lex bots. And please indicate if you're using the spot as subject to blah blah blah. We are not subject to that, so click no. We're not doing anything with children there, so go ahead and click create. Okay, so it'll bring you to this menu, and you're going to start with creating an intent. So create intent, give a unique name for the new intent. So what do you want to name this? How are you? Okay. So this intent's called how are you. So if the user asks how are you, how are you doing, how are you, just kind of different phrases of how a user would type. How are you? Stuff like that. So if they type any one of these phrases, this bot is going to reply, and this is the response area. Now you can make it cycle through replies randomly, so we can have multiple replies to the same question. So that's a pretty cool deal. So I'm doing better than you are. We can add another message. I'm extremely upset. Quit talking to me. Stuff like that. So you get the idea there. You can have a lot of messages. So there's two. So what we do is we click save. Now what you do is you click build. It's going to start building this bot now. And when this is done, we'll be able to actually test this chat bot. And it's pretty cool. So we're going to go ahead and let this. Sometimes it takes 30 seconds or so. It's not too long. And this is only available in certain regions. So it's only available right now in North Virginia, Oregon, and Ireland. So make sure you're in one of those regions when you do this, or it's not going to work. It's going to tell you to change your region because a lot of people use US East Ohio and North Carolina or North California, and it won't work for them, so they have to change their region. Okay, so Angry Bot build was successful. So what we're going to do here is we're going to chat to our bot. So we're going to do how are you? I'm extremely upset. Quit talking to me. It replied back instantly. Now, if we do the same phrase, but we had a question mark, it's still going to pick up that how are you. It's not going to, come up with an error or anything like that. And as you can see, to the same exact question, it cycled through to a different random answer that we had. So that's a pretty cool feature with Amazon Lex. You can use that to do a lot of cool things. Now, we're going to go ahead and clear the chat history. We're going to do another intent, and fave soda. Okay, so we're on a new intent now. This is favorite soda. So this is kind of something super simple. If you want to do what's your favorite soda, favorite pop, favorite drink, stuff like that, we can actually have it reply back. Is your favorite soda Sprite? And if they say no, then we can put good. Then that's what mine is. So this is actually interesting. This is where you get a little bit deeper with it. So we're going to go ahead and save the intent. We're going to do build so we can test this out. So now, in theory, what we're trying to do is, see what their favorite soda is, but we want to still be mean. So if it isn't Sprite, then that's what ours is. If it is Sprite, the chat ends and we're on to the next one. So let's go and let this build and we'll try it out. Usually takes a few seconds here. And while this is building, actually it's built now, so let's just go ahead and do this. So favorite, let's do favorite drink. Let's type that in here. Is your favorite soda Sprite? So it's actually asking us a question instead now. So we're asking it a question and it turns right around and asks us a question. So if we put no, good, then that's what mine is. So it's just kind of a funny little deal. Now what you can do is if you put yes, you can put like I don't care and stuff like that. So if you'd go to intent and put yes, you can combine that because all the intents run the same on this bot. So we can still ask the bot, how are you? And it's still going to answer these questions. As you can see, it cycles through, and you can really, get in depth with this. There's also slots, but that's going to be for a more advanced Amazon Lex tutorial. But this is the basics of Amazon Lex. I'm going to show you how to, integrate this with Facebook, Slack, stuff like that soon on this channel. So be looking for those videos. And, that's really it. Super simple and super cool. So when you're done, you just click publish, create an alias. So this would be named Angry Bot. Hit publish. It'll take a few minutes. And then what you do is you go to channels and you set it up and integrate it with the platform of your choosing. And then once you do that, you can click publish again or whatever. So pretty cool deal. That's the the simplistics of Amazon Lex. Be looking out for the integration tutorials and the more advanced Amazon Lex tutorial coming soon. I'll see you guys next time. I'm out of here. Hopefully this helped you all out. If it did, leave a like and subscribe.